సికింద్రాబాద్ జింకానా గ్రౌండ్ లో జరిగిన తొక్కిసలాట ఘటన చాలా బాధాకరమని హెచ్సీఏ అధ్యక్షుడు అజారుద్దీన్ అన్నారు. ఇలాంటి ఘటనలు మరోసారి పునరావృతం కాకుండా అన్ని చర్యలు తీసుకుంటామని తెలిపారు. రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వ సలహాలు సూచనలు పాటిస్తున్నామని అన్నారు. దాదాపు 3 సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత హైదరాబాద్లో క్రికెట్ మ్యాచ్ నిర్వహిస్తుండటంతో టికెట్ల కోసం పెద్ద సంఖ్యలో అభిమానులు వచ్చారని అన్నారు. క్రికెట్కు పెద్ద ఎత్తున ఆదరణ ఉండటంతోనే టికెట్లకు ఫుల్ డిమాండ్ వచ్చిందన్నారు. ఇప్పటికే టికెట్స్ అన్ని అమ్ముడుపోయాయని అన్నారు. ఈ నెల 25వ తేదీన భారత ఆస్ట్రేలియా క్రికెట్ మ్యాచ్ నిర్వహణ కోసం అన్ని ఏర్పాట్లు పూర్తి చేస్తున్నామని తెలిపారు.
To the minister, sir, he will then talk to you. He will tell you what is correct and what is wrong. Sir, we are holding a match. It is not easy to hold a match. It is not like just sitting here and talking. If I have to score 100, I have to go to the ground and score. I can't just sit and talk. So I have to work. There are times we are going to have a problem here and there. There are going to be problems. But today what has happened is very unfortunate. I am with the people who are injured. We are looking after them. I know because people want to play. People want to watch the game, but sometimes you cannot. Like there are just so many people who can watch. Beyond that you cannot watch. So we are trying our best. I think we need your support also. Because if you are just talking everything about negative, I'm sorry, because you must understand. Because we have to make sure that our game goes forward. We are getting a match after so many years. We should feel happy. Everybody should feel happy. We are all part of Telangana. If anybody is not Telangana, please tell me. I am Telangana. Everybody is Telangana. We always want to do well, but if tell us what is wrong, we will definitely correct it. The minister sir has called the meeting. He got all the heads. He's already told them. He's advised us what to do, what not to do. So we will take his advice and go ahead. And secretary sir is there, minister is there, from electricity is another sir. Everybody is there. We'll take the advice and do. We have to conduct the match. We have to make sure the name of the state is always at a higher stage. Because whatever may be, whoever may be, the state is always number one. Please remember. I might be there today. Sir will be here. Everybody will be here. But the state will remain always. We must make sure that the name of the state is always held high. Like the name of the association should be held high. People who are in the association are not bigger than the association. The association